What's up guys? Today I have the vivo Z1Pro with me, the phone for the Z generation, the Gen Z. Now Vivo has ruled the market with its V series. Now it's time to capture the market with the Z1Pro. Now before I open this box, I want to inform you guys this is a reviewer's kit of the device. When you buy the phone, it will not look like this, the packaging will be different. This is for the reviewers, the YouTubers, the content creators. So let's unbox and see what comes in this reviewer's kit. So as you can see, I opened the box and the specs are up there right here. And I'll read out the specs with you. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 processor. It's the first phone in India to get that. It's got a 32 megapixel in-display camera. When we unbox, we'll show you what it means when it says in-display camera. Now it's got 5000 mAh of battery with 18 watt fast charging. Now 5000 mAh of battery is too hard to finish, and even if you finish it in a day or two, you'll have 18 watts of fast charging for you. Now it's got triple area cameras on the back, so 32 megapixels on the front, the in-display camera, and triple area cameras. So first thing you see in the box is this guide for the reviewers about all the features, specification, which obviously the consumers won't get because that's all on the box also. So I'll pull out the box now and show you how it looks. This is the box of the phone, and just pull this quick and it comes out magically. And this is the Z1Pro, and you might have noticed this PUBG Club Open logo on this device right here. And you're wondering why there's a PUBG logo on the phone. Because this is the official smartphone for PUBG Open Club 2019, and because of its processing power and the Snapdragon 712, it is one of the best phones to play PUBG on. So now we'll be unboxing this device and showing what comes inside.
So as mentioned earlier, the Z1Pro box comes with PUBG's logos on the side. But let's tear the plastic and see what comes in the box. First thing you get when you open the box is the protective case along with the quick start guide and the warranty information. Right underneath it is the Z1Pro handset. We have the Z1Pro in sonic blue color with us, and it looks stunning as it changes patterns when light falls on it. Now let's check out the rest of the stuff in the box. We have an 18 watt charger, a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer, and finally the earphones. So that's all in this unboxing video. We'll be testing the phone thoroughly, have fun exploring the FunTouch OS, and share our full review video in the coming few days. Till then, like, share, subscribe and spread the love. Thanks for watching the Unbiased vlog.